Hey students, again welcome back to my channel Exactity. Hope you all are fine. So I'm getting frequent requests to update the important cue cards for next month, that is August 2021. So I'm here with the selected cue cards which you want to prepare for your real IELTS test on August 2021 for both academic and general module. Okay, so once again, I just want to make you clear that these cards are very important and it will be there for next month real IELTS test. So you can prepare with other materials too which all are available in the market, but give more attention towards these cards. Okay, so let's start off with the first card. Describe a tourist attraction you enjoyed visiting. So you need to talk about a tourist place which you visited and you enjoyed a lot. So you should say what this tourist attraction is. That means what type of tourist attraction, whether it is man-made or whether it is natural. Okay, so when and why you visited it, what you did there, and explain why you enjoyed visiting this tourist attraction. So you need to include all the sub-question and talk well and try to give an introduction or opening related to the traveling experience, or if you are a regular traveler means you can give an introduction like that. Okay, next cue card. Describe a review you read about a product or service. So you need to talk about the review which you read about a product or service. So you should include where you read the review. That means whether it is from the backside of that particular product, like the label or something, or whether it is from any website. Okay, what the product or service was, what information the review give about the product or service. Okay, so what are the common description about that particular product, you can include that and explain what you did as a result of reading this review, whether you brought that particular product or whether you seek for that particular service or not. So here it's better to give an opening related to this materialistic nature of human or about this consumerism. Okay, like that. If you are a regular buyer means you can give an introduction like that. So the next cue card, describe a luxury item you would like to want in the future. You need to buy in the future. Any type of item you can talk about. So you should say what the item you would like to want, what this item looks like, that means the external appearance, and why you would like to want this item. So you can talk about the purpose of that particular item and explain whether you think you will ever own this item. So whether you think you will buy this item or not, when you can able to buy it, everything you can explain under this particular question. So you can talk about any luxurious item. So the next cue card, describe an occasion when you found it difficult to understand something in English. You need to talk about an occasion in which you found difficult to understand something in English. Maybe the complete dialogue or some particular word. So you should say where you were, whom you were listening to or reading to, explain whether the lack of understanding was a problem, and also how you dealt with it, how you deal with that particular situation. So it's better to talk about some childhood experience and all, because it's about English and you are appearing for IELTS exam. So talk about some childhood experience and all. So the next card, describe some technology that you decided to stop using. So you can talk about some technology like any app, phone, software, program and all you decided to stop using. So you should say when and where you got this technology and why you started using this technology, what was the reason and why you decided to stop using it. That may be due to some other distractions or due to the attention problem or related to lack of time or related to the addiction problem. Okay, and explain how you feel about the decision you made. It was effective or whether you can't able to keep your decision means you can talk about that too. Moving on to next card. Describe something you do which is environmentally friendly. You need to talk about some activity which you do which is environmentally friendly. Maybe to prevent the pollution, to avoid the waste disposal. Okay, so you should say what you do, when you do it, do you find it easy or difficult, and explain why you think that this activity is very important. So you need to talk about the environmental friendly activity. So the next cue card related to news. Describe a piece of news that may be about the local news or international news they can ask about you watched. So you should say what the news was, when and where you watched it, what you were doing at that time, what you were doing at that particular time. Okay, and explain how the news influenced you, whether it is influenced in a positive way or negative way. So how you felt about that particular news. So the next card, describe an activity that you do after school or work. So you can talk about any leisure time activity after your work or studies. So you should say what it is. If it is an indoor or outdoor game means you can talk about that, when and where you do it, and who you do it with your family or friends, and how you feel about it, how much it is a relaxation for you or recreational activity for you. So you can talk about any type of leisure time activity and give an introduction and start your talk. So next about, describe someone older than you whom you admire. So it's a common question from long back, the person whom you admire, or they can ask about an old person whom you respect. So you should say who this person is, how you know this person, what kind of things you like to do together, and explain how you feel about this person or why you admire him or her. So the next one, describe an argument two of your friends had. That may be related to any social topic, academic topic, related to politics, or that may be fan fight. Okay, so you should say when it happened, what it was about, how it was solved, and how you felt about it. So if you were the mediator means you can talk about that too. So arguments are really a part of our life. It's very common in our life. So try to give an introduction related to these arguments. So the next cue card, describe a town or city where you would like to live in the future, or else they will be asked about, describe a part of your city which you like to spend your time in. So it's better to study about any particular place in deep so you can able to apply for any cue cards related to this place. So you should say where is it, how you know about this particular city, what it is famous for, and why you would like to live there or why you like to spend your time there, what you like to do there and all. Okay, so the next one, describe a puzzle like jigsaw, crossword, Candy Crush and all you have played. So you should say what it is like, how easy or difficult it is, how long it takes you to solve it, and how you feel about it, whether it is beneficial or time killing or pleasure of time. Okay, so you need to talk about a puzzle which you enjoy. So the next card, describe a live sports match that you have watched. So you can talk about any live sports match you watched, or else they will be especially asking about any water sports. Describe a water sports you like to try, or any water or nearby water activity you need to try, like that question. So you should say what it was when you watched it, what it was like, and how you felt about it. So try to talk in detail. You can give an introduction commonly about the sports if your interest towards the sports activity and all. So the next one about, describe an article on health you read in a magazine or on the internet. So this month also they asked this question again and again. So you need to prepare about an article on health, any health related topic. So according to the current affair or the trend, you can talk about this Delta virus, about this coronavirus, COVID vaccination. Okay, so you should say what it was, where you read it from book or from social media, why you read it and how you felt about it, whether it is beneficial or not. So the next one, describe an occasion when you were not allowed to use your mobile phone. You want to talk about an occasion you were not allowed to use your mobile phone in airport, in examination hall, or any hospital sector. So you should say when it was, where it was, why you were not allowed to use your mobile phone, and how you felt about it. So if you had any type of emergency to use this particular mobile phone at that time means you can explain that too. So try to give an introduction related to this mobile phone. So the next card, describe a time you saw something interesting on social media. That's completely based on your interest. Okay, that may be related to some artwork or related to vehicles. According to your area of interest, you can talk about anything. So you should say when it was, where you saw it, what you saw, and explain why you think it was interesting. So next one, describe a quiet place you like to spend your time in. You need to talk about a silent and quiet place. That may be any public library or any beach side or any park nearby your home. Okay, it's always better to study about a place as I told you before. So you should say where it is, how you know it, how often you go there, what you like to do there, and explain why you like that particular place. So what was the reason? So the next one, describe a time when you shared something with others or with another person. So you can talk about any particular person or with a group of people. If you are a member of a team and all means you shared something with others. That may be your ideas, feelings or any type of food or any object. So you should say what you shared, who you shared with, why you shared it, and explain how you felt about sharing it. Next card, describe a time you got lost in a place you didn't know about. That means you just missed out in an unknown place. You should say, when did it happen? Who was with you? What did you do? That means whether you asked with anyone for the way, or you depend on Google Map for the way, means you can talk about that, how you felt about it. Okay. So the next card, describe a time you made a promise to someone. So you just made a promise to someone, any of your family, friends, or colleague. So you should say, whom did you make the promise to, what the promise was, why you made the promise, and was the promise easy to achieve. So try to give an introduction related to this promise. Most of the people like to give promises, but they are casual about their promises. They don't like to fulfill that, but I'm not a person like that. I'm so serious about my promises. Like that, you can give an introduction related to this promise. So the next card, describe an art exhibition that you visited, or else they will ask about, describe about an art gallery or museum which you gone through or you visited. So you should say, when you saw this exhibition, where the exhibition was held, what was on display, and explain your impression of this particular exhibition. So for most of the cards, you will get the samples from our playlist. Okay, we already updated that. If you want any more samples, means you can just comment that below. So the next cue card, related to friend. Describe a time when you told your friend an important truth. You just shared an important truth, or you revealed a truth to your friend, or else they will ask about a time in which you helped your friend. Okay, or your friend asked for a help. So you should say who your friend is, what the truth was, what your friend's reaction was, and explain why it was important for you to tell the truth to your friend. What was the emergency to reveal the truth? So the next one, describe a skill that you can teach other people. That means you are a master of that particular skill. That's why you can able to teach others. So you are so confident about that particular skill. That may be any life saving skill, or cooking skill, or any craft works. Okay, driving skill. Or else they will ask about to describe a skill or natural talent you like to develop in your future days. Okay, so try to prepare with the skills that may be acquired or innate. So you should say what it is, how you learned it, how can you teach others this skill, and how do you feel about this particular skill, whether it is useful or not. So moving on to next one, describe a person who wears unusual clothes. That means not as usual, not as we wear usually. So you should say who is he or who is she, how do you know him, what kind of clothes he wears, and why do you consider that his clothing choices are weird. That means unusual, abnormal. Okay. So that may be related to their culture or their practice, or else they like to wear like that. Okay. So the next one, describe a time when you had to wait in a long line. So nowadays it's very usual to wait in a long line due to this COVID pandemic and all. We need to maintain a social distancing when we are out means. So you need to talk about an experience in which you waited in a long line. So you should say when it was, how long the queue or line was, what it was, that means the purpose, and how you felt about waiting in this long queue or line. So moving on to next cue card, describe a place, person, or home you like to visit but you don't want to live there. So you like to visit that particular place but you don't want to stay there. So you should say what place is it, when do you visit that place, how do you feel about it, and why you don't want to live there. Maybe you are a person who like to go back to your home and to sleep in your own bed like that. So you can give an introduction related to that. So next card, it's related to job. Describe a perfect job you would like to have in the future, or else they will ask about your dream job. Okay, so you should say what it is, how you know about that particular profession, what it is like, and explain why you think it is perfect for you. So you can explain about your strength. So the next card, describe a decision made by others or someone you disagreed with. Maybe they didn't ask for your opinion. That's why you disagreed with, or it will affect you in a negative way. So you should say what the decision was, how was it made, what you disagreed with, and explain why you disagreed with that particular decision. Next one, describe a time when you felt bored. So this is a question from long back. So you need to talk about a situation in which you felt really bored. Maybe you were waiting for a person for a long time, or doing some activity again and again, or you were alone at your home, or you just stuck in any particular situation or place. Okay, so you should say when it was, who you were with, what you were doing, and why you felt bored. So the next one, describe an interesting conversation that you had, or else they will ask about the conversation topic you were not interested. So try to prepare with both. So you should say who you had it with, that means with whom you had this conversation. Where did you have it? What was the conversation and why did you have it? What was the reason? If you didn't like that particular conversation means you can explain that too. So the next cue card, describe an unforgettable bike or bicycle trip, or else they will ask about describe a long car journey. So be prepared with a long journey. So you can just apply, or based on the question you can just arrange. So you should say when it was, where you went, what happened during the trip, and how you felt about it. So always prepare with a long journey. That may be via bicycle or by this public transportation or by this car. Okay, so try to arrange accordingly, according to the question which they are asking for. So the next card, describe a time when you were really close to a wild animal. So you need to talk about a time in which you were really close to a wild animal. That may be when you went to visit a zoo, or during your travel to any forest area, or your travel in between the roadside and all, we can able to see so many monkeys, elephants and all. Okay, so you should say what it looked like, where you saw it, what it likes to eat or do, and why you like it. So if you didn't like that particular animal means you can talk that too. So the next card, describe a famous person that you are interested in. You want to talk about any famous person from any sector, business, politics, film industry, or from any other sports. Okay. Or else you will get the question like describe about your favorite foreign celebrity. So you need to talk about a foreign celebrity, that also from any sector you can talk about. So you should say who this person is, how you know about this person, what sort of life they had before they become famous, and explain why you like this particular person. Okay. So if you are rearranging that particular cue card, you can apply the same answer in this all topic too. That means if they are asking about a polite person, open-minded person, energetic person whom you know, so according to the question, you can just make some changes. So always study or be thorough with any particular person. Okay, with all the characteristics. So try to prepare a jumbo card. So the next one, describe a thing you brought and you are happy about. So you need to talk about any object or any type of product you brought and you are 100% satisfied about it. So you should say explain why you brought it, what was the purpose, why you selected this product, what was the features, from where you purchased it, that means directly from shop or from online platforms, and explain why you are so happy about it. You got 100% result, that's why you were so happy about it. Right, so moving on to next one, talk about a time when you gave advice to someone. So people always love to give advices to others, free advices if they are asking or not. So you can just give an introduction related to your characteristics, what type of person you are, whether you like to give free advices or not. So you should say who you gave advice to, what the advice was, why you gave the advice, and how you felt about that advice, whether it come out positively or not. So the next cue card, describe something important that has been kept in your family for a long time. So your family is keeping that particular product or particular thing for a long time. That may be any old album or any photographs or any type of traditional ornaments. So you should say what it is, when your family had it, how your family got it, and explain why it is important for your family. So what's the need of that? Next one, describe an occasion when you ate a kind of food for first time. So you need to talk about your first experience with that particular product or particular food item. So you should say when you had it, where you ate it, what it was. You need to explain about that particular product. That means about the ingredients in that particular food item and all, and how you felt about it. So whether you liked it or not. So the next card, describe a goal you want to achieve in the future, or else they will ask like describe an ambition that you have had for a long time. That means you already just set it that particular ambition and you need to achieve it. So you should say what the goal is, what would you like to do to achieve it, when will you achieve, and explain why you want to achieve it. So according to the question you need to use the tense. Okay, so here you need to achieve, so in the future. Moving on to the next cue card, describe a tradition in your country. So you can talk about any culture or rituals or custom you can able to transfer from one generation to another generation. So you can talk about the festivals too. Then you should say what it is, who takes part in it, what activities there are, and explain how you feel about it. So the next cue card, describe a family which you like and are happy to know about. So you like to know about that particular family. So that may be your cousins, your friends. Okay, so you should say who they are, where they live, and how you know them, and explain why you like them, why you like to spend time with them. So the next one, describe a time when you first talked in a foreign language. So you need to talk about an experience in which you first talked in a foreign language. If you are talking about English means, as I told you before, talk about your childhood experience, or else you can talk about any other language. So you should say where you were, who you were with, and what did you talk about, and explain how you felt about it. So the next one, describe a time when you change your opinion. So you need to talk about a time in which you change your opinion. So you should say when it was, what the original opinion was, why you changed it, what was the reason behind that, and explain how you felt about it. So the last cue card, describe a person who helps others in his or her spare time. So you should say who is that particular person, how often this person helps others, how this person helps others, and why this person helps others. How do you feel about this particular person? So you need to talk about that particular person in detail, what type of help he is doing and all, whether it is related to any charity organization or any NGOs means you can talk about that. So these all are the cue cards which you need to concentrate more, and you should prepare for your August month IELTS exam. If they are adding any type of cue cards in between means I will let you know as soon as possible with the sample answers. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more updates related to IELTS. So if you want any model answer means you can comment that below and I will prepare with that. So thanks again and stay tuned, and all the very best for your speaking test date.